This is Optimal Startup Daily, episode 666. Project Management Solution? Keep it simple, stupid. And How to Defeat Hustle Guilt, both by Michael Mehlberg of michaelmehlberg.com. And I'm Dan, I'm your host. I'm here every day with you, and today I've got two shorter posts for you, and they're both by Michael Mehlberg. So with that, let's get right to them and start optimizing your life. Project Management Solution? Keep it simple, stupid, by Michael Mehlberg of michaelmehlberg.com. Project management is among the top skills to master in any business, especially one wanting to grow. Why? Because without project management, business owners will unnecessarily run into common issues, like 1. Getting work back from team members in a timely fashion is impossible and unpredictable. 2. Work somehow eventually gets done, but nothing is well planned out, which causes stress and delays. 3. Without a single person assigned the role of project manager, no one person has ownership of the project, resulting in confusion, matches, and missed deadlines. And 4. Come the deadline, critical deliverables will be missing and/or the quality will suffer. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, your business could use some basic project management skills and tools. Keeping project management as simple as possible. Bottom line up front, the project management solution a small or mid-sized business selects should only be as complicated as the project itself. In other words, keep the project management solution as simple as possible. In the end, it's supposed to streamline your project management process, not add burden or complexity. When running a team of 28 software engineers on a highly technical software security product, we found that sticky notes on a wall fit our agile process perfectly. Later, when expanding to multiple teams across multiple sites, we moved to a shared Excel sheet to track progress. What matters isn't the solution itself, but that A, you have one, B, it makes sense for your team, and C, everyone uses it. Necessary benefits any project management solution should provide. The most significant benefits a project management solution provides should include 1. Team communication and sharing, allowing everyone to check progress against milestones, keep the scope of the project in mind, and check the critical path of project tasks. And 2. Visualization. Doesn't have to be fancy. Even a basic ability to visualize progress can tell the team and the project manager at a glance whether they need to make adjustments and how drastic those adjustments need to be. Of course, not everyone will implement a project management solution, but the risks are glaring and obvious. Without one, team communication suffers, causing misunderstandings, which result in quality issues or delays. Without one, it's nearly impossible to monitor progress against milestones and goals, all but ensuring small delays add up to massive failures as the project nears completion. First-time project managers should spend a little time picking the right solution for their needs. They should consider how big their project is, and therefore how complex their solution needs to be. For example, a 2-week project with 3 team members probably can get by with sticky notes or a shared Excel spreadsheet. A 5-year-long project spanning multiple divisions in the company with dozens of team members may need something more in-depth, like Microsoft Project. Of course, many solutions fall somewhere in between sticky notes and Microsoft Project. Online tools like Basecamp provide excellent project management facilities for expanding teams. Trello is another fantastic tool, which can be extended with plugins as your organization grows. The key things to look for are 1. Can the project tasks, scope, charts, and other metrics be shared among team members? 2. Are there visualizations to help understand key metrics at a glance? And 3. Does the tool have facilities for tracking tasks, milestones, and overarching goals? Do those facilities align with your process? Project management solutions to avoid. Just stay away from the big, everything-included project management tools unless you need them. The complexity will quickly overwhelm nearly any team and drag the project down with additional unnecessary weight. Remember, the project management solution you choose should assist you in getting to your end goal, not create more work. Keeping that in mind when making your selection will go a long way toward choosing a solution that works for you. Now, I've got another post from Michael coming right up, but first, what's one of the greatest feelings as an entrepreneur? When you start building a team with people who care just as much about the dream as you do, and they have the skills to make it happen. If you want to find those people faster, you need Indeed. Indeed is the hiring platform where you can attract, interview, and hire all in one place. One of the things I love about Indeed is that it makes hiring all in one place so easy because Indeed puts you in control of what you pay. You set your must-have job requirements and only pay for the applications that meet them. There's a transparent, flat fee per application, and you can pause your job posting whenever you want. And Indeed's doing something no other job site has done. Now with Indeed, businesses only pay for quality applications matching the sponsored job description. Visit Indeed.com/startup to start hiring now. Just go to Indeed.com/startup. Indeed.com/startup. Terms and conditions apply. Need to hire? You need Indeed. How to Defeat Hustle Guilt by Michael Mehlberg of michaelmehlberg.com. I suffer from hustle guilt constantly. For example, I've purchased hundreds of video games over the years, yet have played less than 1% of them. It's not that I like wasting money or that I don't want to play. Video games are my fave, right up there with cheese, movie theater popcorn, and peanut M&Ms. The only M&Ms anyone should ever eat. Problem is, when I finally find time between work, family, and shuttling children to baseball, I think about projects I have to get done, books I need to finish reading, and an ever-growing to-do list. Video games suddenly feel unnecessary. So I hustle guilt myself into doing something quote-unquote productive. Maybe it's not video games for you, but I bet it's something. Hustle guilt is real. The thing is, you know it's not healthy. You know you need time off. You know the feeling of burnout from working too long and too hard without rest and relaxation. But when you're trying to achieve something big, it's too easy to get myopically focused on the end goal at the expense of your own mental health. Luckily, I found a few tricks helpful for people who can't seem to turn it off. 1. Earn it. If you know you want to relax, play a video game, or take a vacation, write down what you have to do to earn it. Need to finish a project, need to get to inbox 0, whatever it is. Write down how you will earn your relaxation time. Once you've earned it, you won't feel the pressure to immediately start work on something else. 2. Schedule it. It sounds way type A, but adding relaxation time to your calendar can give you the mental cue needed to rest, especially if you make it action-oriented. If you want to play a video game, put an hour in your calendar with the title saying, "Beat another level of XYZ game." If you're reading a book, schedule a meeting with yourself entitled, "Finish another chapter." It will help you fool your hustle-oriented mindset into thinking you're being productive. 3. Journal it. Take out a sheet of paper and write down exactly what you are feeling. Write down that you're having trouble relaxing because you feel you should be doing XYZ. Then write down why relaxing is important to you. It will help your mind reframe why relaxing is more important than task XYZ at the moment. And 4, get it out. If you're just trying to chill on the beach but keeps coming to your mind that you need to do, just add it to your to-do list or calendar, after your vacation is over, of course. Getting it out of your head will help you get back to the task at hand, chilling. You just listened to the posts titled Project Management Solution, Keep It Simple, Stupid, and How to Defeat Hustle Guilt, both by Michael Mehlberg of michaelmehlberg.com. And thanks to Michael, who is a family man, an entrepreneur, business professional, fitness nut, organization freak, productivity junkie, and the author of Home Early, a book about destroying distraction, becoming powerfully productive, and finishing work before dinner. You can get the first chapter of his book for free with a bunch of worksheets to go along with it right on his site, which is michaelmehlberg.com, and his last name is spelled Mehlberg. So come on and check out that show and show him some support. But that does it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow, where your optimal life awaits.